Okay guys, I have a little challenge for you. So you both have Lego in front of you. Can you each count how many you have? Okay, you both have the same amount of Lego, and you both have the same sized Lego pieces. What I'm going to ask you to do now, your challenge, is I want both of you to create a structure. So with your 21 different sized Lego pieces, I would like you both to create a structure. It could be anything you want, and I'm going to give you about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to look at your structures. Nice structures, guys. Can you describe yours to me, Elliot? What did you make?
Fortress.
A fortress?
Snow fortress.
A snow fortress. So what is a snow fortress?
It's made of snow and we hide in.
And you hide in it? Cool. Quinn, what did you make?
A throne.
A what?
A throne.
Nice. Who's going to sit on it?
I don't know.
Someone royal? Now can you put them kind of close to each other? What is the same about them?
They both are made of Lego.
They're both made of Lego. What else is the same about them?
They have the same pieces.
The same size pieces. What else? Elliot, do you remember how many pieces?
That they both stand flat.
They both stand flat?
Have 21 pieces.
They both have 21 pieces. What's different about them?
Mine's a throne and his is a snow fort.
What else? Elliot, which one is taller?
Different colors.
Elliot?
Pardon?
Which one is taller?
Quinn's.
And which one is wider?
This.
Can you show me? How do you know that's wider?
Elliot's is wider.
How do you know Elliot's is wider? Can you move yours a bit? So Elliot, how many pieces wide is yours?
They're both the same wide.
They're both the same wide? Why do you think that?
Because look at it. Mine's a bit bigger.
You know what I think we're going to have to do? We're going to have to figure out whose is wider.
Elliot's.
Okay, Elliot, we're going to look at your third list of sight words for grade 1. And we're going to do the first column first. So I'm just going to move the paper down. So what is the first word?
About kick teacher. After nice tell. Animal. Night. Then. Because. Off went. Best hour where. Brother over went. Okay. Can't people want car play where call could pretty why.
So sight words are words that a child should read in 2 seconds or less. So it's basically a word that a child just automatically recognizes by sight. When Elliot read this list, there were some words that took him longer than 2 seconds to read, or there were some words that he wasn't sure of. Now he is in grade 1, and this is list 3. It's the last list of the grade 1 sight words. And as you noticed, after he read them, I put a dash by them. Those are the words that he struggled with. Either he was unable to recognize the word at all and sound it out, or it took him longer than 2 seconds to recognize the word. So down in the bottom section here, I just put that he knew 30 of the 40 words. Something I might do next is I might put those cards on flashcards, and I'd probably go over those words that were unrecognizable to him by sight a little more frequently, just so he becomes accustomed to them and can recognize them faster. Another thing is usually you just show one word at a time, where because I was holding the iPad and moving a paper at the same time, 3 went across, but usually it's nice to go down the list like about and then after then animal, because instead of going across, but sometimes due to time restraints or just because of things like holding an iPad, it changes. So before you go to bed, we'll do bedtime math. And since we looked at Legos today, I found a Lego question. So the question is, if you stack red, green, blue, yellow, and white Lego pieces, how many colors is that? So listen to the colors I say and tell me how many colors. If you stack red, green, blue, yellow, and white Lego pieces, how many colors is that?
5.
5 colors. I'm going to try the little ones question. If you're stacking a 10 brick chunk and you have 8 bricks so far, how many more bricks do you need? So you want to stack a 10 brick chunk and you have 8 bricks. How many more do you need?
2.
How did you know that?
Because it goes 8, 9, 10.
So in your head you started at 8 with the 8 bricks that you have and then went up to 10? Nice. Thinking back to the last sessions and some of the take-home things that we've brought back from them, like the tangrams, the dice, the cubes, knowing how helpful building puzzles can be, I think it's important to remember to be giving our children these experiences and allowing them to play with them and have fun. Okay, hi Quinn and Elliot. So we are going to play Pie in the Face. I see a spinner there. What are some of the numbers you see on that spinner? Can you show me? What are they,
3,
Elliot?
2, 5, 4, and that's it. And another 3 and another. Well, that's just the numbers. 5 and 3.
Cool. So how many 2s are there?
2.
How many 3s?
2 of all. 2 of
Oh, so there's 2 of everything. So you're pretty much as likely to spin on a 2, 3, 4, or 5. They all have the same chance of being spun on, don't they? I wonder, who's going to go first?
Elliot, youngest goes first.
Okay, so youngest goes first.
Four.
4. Okay.
Oh, no.
1, 2, 3, 4.